If you're not making every dollar work for you, you're working for your money instead of letting your money work for you. And that subtle shift in mindset can completely change your financial future. Most videos talk about budgeting apps or side hustles, and while those can help, they miss the bigger picture. In a minute, I'll show you one of the most overlooked moves that separates people who struggle financially from those who build real wealth. But first, we need to fix something basic that most people never question. The first step is this: stop saving just to save. Every dollar sitting idle in a bank account is quietly losing value to inflation. Your dollars should have jobs. Whether it's earning, compounding, or unlocking new opportunities, they need to move with intention. Now, how do you actually make every dollar work for you? Let's start with the foundation: automated investing. The reason most people never build wealth is not because they don't make enough money. It's because they don't make consistent, long-term moves. Automating contributions to something like a Roth IRA or a low-cost index fund removes emotion and makes your dollars grow without you thinking about it. If I could go back to my early 20s, I would have prioritized this before anything else. Next, treat your spending like investing. Every dollar you spend should either increase your income, your knowledge, or your quality of life. Ask yourself, is this an expense or an asset in disguise? A $30 book that upgrades your mindset pays off more than a $300 impulsive shopping spree. Now here's where it gets powerful: leverage your income. Most people stop at earning money, but real growth happens when you start using income to create more income. Whether it's launching a micro business, buying digital assets, or renting out a tool you already own, your dollars can multiply faster than you think. Then there's cash flow stacking. This is how I got out of the feast and famine cycle early in my career. I built tiny streams of income, some from content licensing, others from referral-free tools I actually used, and reinvested everything. The goal wasn't to get rich overnight. It was to have 4 to 5 things paying me at once, so every dollar coming in could be reinvested to grow another stream. Also, know this: debt is not always bad. Used right, debt can increase your leverage. A good example: using a 0% intro credit card to float business expenses that return more than they cost. But there's a caveat: this only works if you're disciplined. The moment you start treating credit like free money, it backfires. Let's zoom out. Making every dollar work for you isn't about obsessing over pennies. It's about creating systems that keep money moving toward things that make you freer, automatically. Freedom is the return. That's what your money should be buying. Now here's what most people never consider, and this is key. Every dollar you don't control, someone else will. Whether it's subscriptions you forgot, taxes you didn't plan for, or a bank holding your savings at 0.01%, someone else is making that dollar work for them. This is why intentionality matters more than income level. And here's the part most videos won't tell you. I'm not recommending tools because I earn affiliate commissions. I'm sharing what's worked in my own career, from building 6-figure revenue streams off a single video, to recovering from dumb financial moves that almost wiped me out. I learned the hard way so you don't have to. So if you want to make every dollar work for you, start thinking like a builder. Give every dollar a job. Track where it goes. And more importantly, ask what it's doing for you after it leaves your wallet. If you got value from this, hit subscribe. Not for me, but so content like this without hidden incentives actually has a shot at growing. Thanks for watching.